For me, in my own spiritual experience, I have seen God work in so many incredible ways. I would only say that I've been a real Christian for the past few years, and a lot of that is due to my experience being out here in Palau. For those who have never been here before, Palau, it's like nature just times 100 of anything you've ever experienced before. It's so pristine, it's so calm, it's so peaceful, and the people are so loving and they're so giving. For me personally, I feel more at home here in Palau sometimes than I do even back home in the States where I'm from. I've been here in Palau for 4 years, and I'm currently the chaplain of both the elementary school and the high school while teaching junior and senior Bible at the high school. Not only is Palau such a beautiful place to look at and to be in, but for me especially, the thing that keeps me coming back has always been the kids. I love them, and I love the interactions that we have, and I love getting to see them grow in a spiritual way. We have a lot of great spiritual emphasis programs with the school, and especially as chaplain, I've been able to see students really enjoy getting to know what the Bible has to say, and to have bravery when it comes to asking questions about the Bible so that they can learn more about what it actually has to say.
All right, guys, go back to your seats. Go back to your seats, guys, go back to your seats. All right.
Some of the challenges that can come up from being here, one of the biggest is definitely communicating with people back home. It's hard to stay connected, and you're kind of on your own, on an island, and it can be hard sometimes to find people you can trust when it comes to furthering your spiritual experience. Seeing how God has led me and helped me make decisions and the path He's put me on for the future, I can definitely see that He's in control out here. I was scared to be the chaplain. I didn't want that responsibility. And things kind of ended up that I was able to become the chaplain for my second year coming back. And I didn't think I was ready, but I was ready to see what God could do through me in that position. The people out here are ready to hear the gospel. There's just very few people who have been willing to come out here and to serve. Jesus found His greatest blessing in service when He was here, and if we want to figure out how to get closest to Him, then our best bet is to go out and serve the same way that He did. If God calls me to stay longer, I wouldn't be opposed to it.